skies of a different light. Why noise that keeps me up at night? I can't help but think back to you.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Like and subscribe. Pretty sure you're gonna love the video, so stick on for more. Are you looking for a MacBook? Do you already have a MacBook? Or are you just looking for a laptop in general? If you are, this is the video for you. So when I got my MacBook in February of 2021, which was like 9 months ago, I think, I wish that there was a video like this. But I have put together this video for you guys who are planning on getting a MacBook or already have a MacBook and don't know how to use it for its full potential. This video is for you, honey. Watch it till the end. It's gonna be filled with tips on what to do, how to do it, and all of those jazz. I'm sitting down here, I'm talking to you, but we will insert clips on me showing you how I use it in my day-to-day life so that it doesn't get boring. Okay, so this is my laptop. It's the MacBook Pro 2020, 13-inch with the touch bar. It's this space gray, I think. This is amazing. It's a 13-inch, so if you are debating on whether or not to get a MacBook, I will link my MacBook review, pros and cons video down in the description, so you can watch that video to learn about the MacBook, the Pro or the Air or the 13-inch, or what you should get, or should you get the MacBook if you're a certain person, and so on. So link in the description. Let me open this up. So I use my MacBook for a lot of things. It's actually amazing. It works so well. More details are in the description, obviously, if you want to watch that video. But my main usage of my MacBook is for editing. I love this. It is amazing for editing. I edit literally all my videos on this. I edit videos, I edit blog posts, I edit thumbnails. Everything regarding to editing I do on this laptop because it's fast, it's optimized, and it obviously has iMovie, Final Cut Pro, and all those great softwares. If you are starting YouTuber, you should definitely get a MacBook because it has all these free softwares for editing. It's very simple to edit on this MacBook because you have notes. The notes app syncs between your phone, your iPad, your MacBook, anything, any Apple device you have, it's gonna sync. So obviously that's a very cool feature. And also the other thing I use this for is editing my Instagram posts, my thumbnails. If I want to make videos like small TikToks or Instagram Reels or Instagram videos, I use my MacBook because I now upgraded to Final Cut Pro actually. Final Cut Pro has the feature of editing any shape of video, so it can be YouTube or a reel which is tall, a TikTok which is tall, or just Instagram video which is just a square. You can edit anything. So my main usage out of my MacBook is editing. Simply editing. I spend literally half of the day, more than half of the day on this laptop editing my videos. And the second big thing I do with my laptop is planning my content. Literally amazing. Obviously, like I said, the notes app switches syncs between your phone and your iPad and your laptop. So I plan literally everything on this because I can just pull up my phone and look at my content and be like, oh, today I have to do this. It's just right there. It's simple, Simon. The second thing I use my laptop for is obviously content planning. So if you want to plan stuff, if you want to do stuff, if you want to be a YouTuber or a blogger or someone, definitely get a MacBook because it's amazing. It's amazing. Okay, so those are my two main things I do with my laptop. Obviously editing and planning. The other two kind of main things I do with my laptop is watch Skillshare. Attend a few classes on Skillshare. Attend a few classes on Skillshare, learn about editing, YouTube, blogging, and all of that. And I also learned coding with my uncle, who is I actually don't know what his job is, but he knows a lot about IT, software, coding, and all of that, graphics stuff. I don't know. I'm not much of a tech person in that aspect. I love tech stuff, but not into detail. So he's teaching us coding, me and my cousins. So I learned that on this as well. I use the app Eclipse. It's not pronounced the normal Eclipse way, it's pronounced Eclipse. I do all of my coding things on my laptop as well, and it's okay. It works well for me. It's amazing. Another way you can use your MacBook is if you are a student. I wrote all my assignments on this laptop. It's amazing for assignments because you can do split screen. The way I use my laptop when I'm doing assignments is I do split screen. So split screen, why can I not talk today? Split screen allows you to have your class on one side and your notes on another side. Another great way to use your laptop is to have digital notes. Trust me, once you start digital notes, you will not go back to normal notes because digital notes are literally amazing. You can have them anywhere, even if you go on vacation, even if you're like on the other side of the planet, or if you're in Mars, you can literally study anywhere in the world if you do digital notes because honey, you don't take your notebooks everywhere you go, but you do take your laptop because you watch Netflix and all of that jazz on it. So definitely switch to digital notes if your school or college allows it. College, no one cares. If your school allows digital notes, I cannot say the word digital. If your school allows you that kind of notes, then go for it. Do switch to digital notes because it's a lifesaver. It's amazing. It syncs. Even if your laptop breaks, or there's a flood in your house and your laptop breaks or something, your notes are still there because it's associated with your account, so you will not lose your notes. Plus, it's customizable. You can highlight things, you can do things, you can copy paste things from your textbook, and you can also add graphs, line graphs, all those nice pictures and make it customizable. You will have the best notes in mental school. Obviously, if I have my laptop, I have Spotify. I currently have the Spotify free version because Spotify is expensive or not. I don't know. I actually don't want to upgrade because I'm okay with it. If you're using Spotify on the laptop, it syncs perfectly, and you can just literally not shuffle and listen to from the beginning to the top. Because if you have the free version on your phone, you can't just listen to from the top to the bottom. You have to shuffle it. I hate shuffle. I always like the song in my order, the way I like it. So if you're listening to Spotify and you have the free version, definitely listen to it on your laptop. It's amazing. You don't have to worry about not shuffling and all of that. Also, yeah, you get ads every 2 seconds, but who cares? When you're working, you don't even hear the ad because you're just working. I normally don't even hear the ad. I just work, because I feel like even the ads are like music to my ears, because sometimes ads have nice music too. Obviously, the next thing I'm in love with by using my laptop is Netflix. Who doesn't love Netflix, right? Netflix, if you're watching on your laptop, it's amazing because you can just stay in your zone and not worry about other people judging you because you're watching it on your laptop. If you're watching it in your TV, then it's a bit of an issue if all those steamy scenes come out, because apparently parents have decided to actually walk in when you're watching the most steamy scene in the entire movie that makes kids. Why is the universe so cruel? Anyways, so if you have a laptop, watch Netflix on it. But the one con about having a MacBook and Netflix is App Store, for some reason, doesn't have the Netflix app. I don't know why. App Store, why are you doing this? I don't know, they don't have the app, so I have to go through the browser, but it's okay because they upgraded to full screens recently, so I don't have to worry about other people watching while I'm watching. Also, it's better than watching on your phone or your iPad because the screen is big, so you get more, screen, and also it won't hurt your eyes as much as straining your eyes to watch on a laptop, iPhone screen. Always better to watch on a bigger screen, right? Yeah. So another way I use my MacBook in my day is I sometimes also film YouTube videos on it. It doesn't have as much good quality as my iPhone. Obviously the iPhone quality is amazing, but I could survive with my MacBook too because sometimes the quality is good. If you film on a day with sunlight, the MacBook quality is good, but don't trust it a lot because it's not as good. It doesn't even, I don't think it has 720p. I'm not sure. I think it's 720. You can't go to 1080 with it, but it's okay if you don't have any equipment and you only have your laptop. You can definitely film on your laptop. It allows you to film on your laptop. You can even take pictures on your laptop. Did you know that? I didn't know that. So I use the photo booth app to film my videos sometimes because it's kind of easy. You don't have to even airdrop it. You just drag and drop it to iMovie or Final Cut Pro thing and just edit it. Then I also use calendar on my laptop to organize my day, organize my life and all of that. Because another good thing about laptop calendar, like the Apple calendar, is that it syncs between all your devices, so you can access it even on your iPad, your phone, or your laptop, anywhere you go. Even if you have a smartwatch, I think you can access your calendar through that too. How fun is that? Another way I use my laptop is I actually love this feature. It's the the sticky note feature on your MacBook. It's amazing, literally. I used to stick sticky notes all around the house sometimes, and they would get lost like a lot. Like I would miss out appointments, I would miss out things. But now, do not fear, the sticky note is here. What do I do with it? I have a constant sticky note on my laptop that I have labeled saying write on me, and I write everything on it. If I have an appointment tomorrow that I will forget, I write it on that. If I stopped a certain episode on Netflix saying episode 10 season 3, I write it saying I last watched season 3 episode 10, because sometimes my brother watches the same show as me and we are in different seasons or episodes, so we get mixed up, so I write it on my to-do list thing. And then I also have certain brain dumps or other things that I write on my sticky note that is super beneficial when it comes to me planning things, because I have bad memory. I know, it's bad. I feel like I'm a grandma because I cannot remember a lot of things. If you're looking for a MacBook, if you want to buy a new MacBook, the best thing about this MacBook is that you can edit PDFs without even having an editing software. I'm not even kidding. Literally, you can edit PDFs without having editing software. All you need to do is go to this thing called a markup tool on your PDF and you can literally edit things. Okay, I was once presenting my PDF to my friends, which I was explaining to them before I was actually trying to present it to the group. They were amazed as to how I could edit my PDFs like that, and I was like, it's called markup, honey. Yeah, literally, get this. If you have to edit a lot of PDFs, you can edit any PDFs you want without actually having to download any extra apps. Lifesaver. So basically, what I do on my laptop every day is I edit my videos, I watch a lot of Netflix on it, I listen to Spotify and all of that, and I sometimes watch movies on Google, like this website called myflixer.com has a lot of movies, things that don't even have, like things that Netflix doesn't even have. It's on there, watch it, literally. So that is how I spend my day with my laptop. It's simple actually. I just wake up in the morning, edit videos, listen to Spotify, go on Netflix, eat, watch Netflix, and then go back to editing my videos because I'm a YouTuber. At least I'm trying to be a YouTuber, and that is literally all I have to do with my life. Edit videos, upload videos, edit more videos. So that, my friends, is how I use my MacBook in a day. I hope you like this video. How I use my iPad in a day, how I use my iPhone in a day will come out soon, so stay tuned for that. And also, once again, a tiny reminder, if you want to get a MacBook, watch my MacBook Pro pros and cons video that's linked in the description down below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.